Hello everyone, so let's look at the August energy. So this is for all the Sagittarius people and this is for Sun Moon Rising. So let's see what is the month of August bringing in for you. A leg up, the fates, a change in the wind, and chop wood. So it is time for you to clean something. It is time for you to declutter your life. I do feel that you really want to follow that sacred destiny. You really want to follow that sacred path in your life. You know, you are really close to this whole concept of fate, to this concept of surrendering, to this concept of spirituality. All of this really fascinates you, okay? And I do feel that it's really close to your heart as well. You are trying to build something towards it. You are trying to develop probably a healthy lifestyle, or you know, some of you are doing something related to spirituality, but the thing is that you're not being able to move beyond what you are doing right now. Okay, so if you are thinking, you're just stuck at thinking about spirituality, you're not doing anything about it. Probably something is there, and that something is some energy which you need to remove from your life, which you need to declutter. And there's a possibility that it has a lot to do with your belief systems also, because when you step into spirituality, all your belief systems are going to be questioned. Okay, all your existing belief systems, जो भी आपके existing belief systems रहे हैं, जो आपके existing thought patterns रहे हैं till day, सब question होने वाले हैं. Okay, and probably you're not prepared for that. Okay, subconsciously. Okay, let's clarify what is this a leg up first. So we have 7 of swords, we have 6 of swords, and we have the emperor. Some of you do have someone in your life. Okay, a romantic involvement is there in the month of August, but at the same time I do see some sneaky energy from your side. Okay, it's like some of you, I do feel that you have some kind of commitment issues. Okay, it's like you might start a new journey with this person, or you might want to start a new journey in spirituality or probably in love, but you are taking this Nagin energy along with you. You are taking this sneaky energy along with you. Okay, so if you see this card, so this person is already all set to be on a new journey. Okay, but at the same time there's a snake behind this person, and the snake is actually your energy. The snake is actually your own sneaky energy, that you know, and something like, अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे मन नहीं किया, या मुझे work नहीं किया, तो I'm going to use this bahana. Sometimes what happens is, whenever we want to do something but we are not really sure कि मुझे इसमें आगे जाना है या नहीं, या शायद से आगे मेरा मन बदल जाए, तो मैं ये बहाना यूज़ कर लूँगी, तो ये मैं बहाना यूज़ कर लूँगा. That is the kind of energy that I see, that you, before you reach the destination, you always have the escape plan. Okay, so this is something that needs to be taken away from you. Okay, and then we have the card of fates. So let's clarify what this fate is. So tell me one thing, do you really believe in stars, or you just want twinkle lights? Because I do sense that some of you are also okay with twinkle lights. You might say this to yourself, that no, I really want stars, no, I really want spirituality, no, I really want love in my life. But if I ask you, and you know, I'm giving you the substitute of this, which is going to look exactly like you know, the stars and everything, will you accept it? You will accept it. Okay, that is the kind of energy that I have. So जब वो समुद्र मंथन हुआ था, तो विष्णु भगवान ने उनको पूछा, जो डीमन वाली साइड थी, कि तुम्हें अमृत भी मिल सकता है, बट तुम्हें कुछ ऐसा भी मिल सकता है जो मैं तुम्हें लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए दूंगा एंड ये एकदम अमृत जैसा होगा और तुम्हें मज़ा भी आएगा। तो इसलिए उन लोगों ने वाइन ले ली थी, उन लोगों ने मदिरा ले ली थी इंस्टेड ऑफ having amrit. So this is exactly what I see, but let's clarify what is this all about. So we have justice, we have the wheel of fortune, and we have the sun as well. So like I said, that you want that wheel of fortune. Here also we have that snake energy. Okay, so if you want a change, you have to go through a transformation. Okay, nobody is going to give you the justice, but here you yourself have to give that justice. Okay, you will have to have that justice in your life, and for that you will have to do such deeds. You will have to make sure that your karmic balance is good. Okay, that your whatever you do, you are doing it with pure intent. Okay, either be bad, but be completely bad, don't be sneaky about it, or even if you're good, then also it's good, but you don't have to do things so that sometimes what happens is that we have a good heart, but we might want to do something stupid to look cool. Okay, so दोनों में से कुछ एक कैटेगरी तो है जिसमें आप फॉल कर रहे हो. Okay, so if you want to change your timing, if you want to have that wheel of fortune, if you really want to know what your path is about, what your destiny is all about, then you need to be more action oriented. Okay, some of you, if you work on your solar plexus, it will be good. Let's see a change in the wind. So what is this change in the wind, or what will lead you to this change? Okay, new doors are opening for you, new possibilities will be there. Some of you are also going to do something through your work. आपके काम के थ्रू कुछ अच्छा होता हुआ दिख रहा है. I see you becoming more passionate towards your work, towards new possibilities in life. But उस पूरे चक्कर में, उस चेंज को लाने के चक्कर में, I also see you taking some dumb decisions. Okay, something very stupid, something जो आप बहुत ही जल्दबाजी में आके ले रहे हो, and then you might have your own guilts and regrets कि मैंने क्यों कर दिया, वो क्यों कर दिया. तो कुछ आप एक ऐसी पोजीशन पे आ सकते हो इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त जहाँ पे चेंज पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में भी आ सकता है, और वहाँ पे चेंज एक नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में भी आ सकता है. एंड इट विल ओनली एंड only depend on your behavior, on your thought process and on your intent. आप क्या thought रखते हो, आप क्या intent रखते हो, and उसके साथ आपका behavior कितना match होता है और कितना नहीं. Let's see chopped wood as well. And I do feel that universe is going to present you with a source or a resource where you will learn how to clear these blocks, where you will learn how to remove these negativities or to remove these blockages. But then वो झाड़ू तो आपको खुद ही उठाना पड़ेगा ना. वो जो भी वो टेक्निक है, जो भी है, you will have to pick it up, you will have to make a choice to do something about it, right? Otherwise तो कुछ होने नहीं वाला है. And like I said, okay, so firstly, one more thing, I do feel that you some of you, it's like you do pretend to be a masculine or the feminine. Like if you are a male watching this, then आपको लगता होगा कि आप बहुत masculine हो. अगर आप female हो तो आपको लगता होगा आप बहुत feminine हो. But वो बहुत outer appearance में है, ठीक है. जो आपकी actual femininity है, it is there within, but you're not bringing it out. Okay, and for that you will have to work on your water element. For that you will have to work on your emotions. For that you will have to work on your intuition, your gut feeling, everything which is related to water element. And I do see that you will be taking a decision towards it. I do see that you might want to learn a new technique or something like that, but बहुत slow. ठीक है, बहुत सोच समझ के कोई डिसीजन लेना कि आपको कोई धोखा ना दे दे, आपके साथ कोई फ्रॉड ना कर दे, कोई स्कैम ना कर दे एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. इस टाइप की बहुत एनर्जीज मुझे लग रही हैं. ओके, बट इवेंचुअली यू विल टेक दैट डिसीजन, दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर, ओके। एंड वो डिसीजन आप थोड़ा लेट लोगे, आपको थोड़ा सा रिग्रेट होगा कि ले लेना चाहिए था, बट आपको यूनिवर्स वापस से वो अपॉर्चुनिटी भेजेंगे एंड आप वो करोगे जो भी है। सो दैट इज़ इट, बाय बाय।